At a glance, there are 5 components that make up our one holistic business solution. Number 1, WinTeam. Holistic software that connects your financial operations and workforce management business components and is designed to drive efficiency, pinpoint profitability, and reduce costs. Included are HR insurance benefits, payroll, accounting finance, and operations management. Number 2, Team Time. Flexible time and attendance software that automates timekeeping processes, controls labor costs, and manages your distributed workforce. Number 3, AHub. A workforce management and self-service portal for your employees and customers that helps reduce your operations costs and administrative time while boosting efficiency and productivity in the field. Number 4, Lighthouse. Real-time visibility of field-based workforces to view, manage, and simplify workforce operations, improving efficiency and service quality and reducing risk. This is done through the functions for location tracking and incident management capabilities. And number 5, reporting. We have 2 reporting tools in addition to our over 100 canned reports already available in WinTeam. Number 1 is Insights, an out-of-the-box data visualization tool with an easy-to-read charts and graphs showing overtime, budgets, revenue, and customer information to help you make smarter business decisions based on WinTeam data. And number 2, Business Intelligence, an advanced business analytics tool to help you dig further into your WinTeam data and create custom reports through the combined power of SAP Business Objects and a WinTeam data warehouse.